Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the clock showing the wrong time in Windows 11. Sometimes you may notice that the time displayed on your Windows 11 taskbar is incorrect. This problem can occur due to an incorrect time zone, disabled time synchronization, or issues with the Windows time service. Fortunately, you can fix this problem with a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, click on the Start button and then select here Settings. Alternatively, you can press Windows plus I keys on the keyboard to open Windows 11 settings. Under Settings, select Time and Language in the left sidebar. Then click on the Date and Time. Here ensure set time zone automatically and set time automatically is turned on. After that, scroll down to additional settings section. Here you will find sync now option. Click on the sync now button to synchronize date and time with its Microsoft server. In case it is still showing wrong date and time, restart your Windows time service. For that, press Windows plus R keys on the keyboard. After that, type here services.msc, then click on the OK button. Under Services panel, search for Windows time. Right click on it and here start it, or if you see an option to restart, then click on the restart. Now restart your PC once. Now check the clock on your taskbar. The correct time should appear. That's it. You have successfully fixed the wrong clock time issue in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful Windows tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.